Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and for another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to create your very own DIY moisturizer, and you will need some coconut oil, shea butter, you need some essence of peppermint or peppermint oil, some castor oil, tea tree oil, an empty jar, and mine is looking this way because I had some of the mixture in there before, so do not mind that. And you also need an empty container for the hot water and also a spoon for mixing. And first we're going to add our shea butter to the jar. And guys, I was struggling here because I have the camera in one hand, so I was trying to use my one hand to make the mixture. Anyway, we're gonna make it work. So we have our shea butter in our jar, and we're next gonna add like 3 drops of tea tree oil. Then we're gonna add like about a half tablespoon of essence of peppermint, or you can add some peppermint oil, and this helps to stimulate the scalp, and it also adds a little nice, minty smell to your mixture. And we're gonna add some coconut oil. We all know coconut oil is good for everything, but I love using my coconut oil in my mixture. And then we're gonna add some castor oil as well. And I'm just eyeballing this. Next, we're gonna get the empty container and we're gonna pour some hot water in there. And we're gonna put our jar with all the ingredients to melt. And when it melts, it will get to a very runny consistency like this. And then we're gonna add it to the fridge, and it should look something like this. It got hard. Alright, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I go ahead and use this mixture to moisturize and seal. And I'm just spritzing with some water. And I'm squeezing it in my hair instead of rubbing to create less frizz. And once I've got the water in my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and add my mixture. And I'm squeezing it in my hair as well. Now guys, this is very good, I'm telling you. I've been using it for years, especially when I do not have anything else to use. It's a very good moisturizer. It keeps your hair very moist. And then I normally go ahead and plait the hair to keep the moisture in. And normally when it dries, I get like a wavy type of look, like more like a braid out type of look, which is very cute. And I'm just gonna show you one more time. All I do is spritz the hair with water, and then I add the mixture, squeezing the product in my hair instead of rubbing. And that is it. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video, and I encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any video ideas, you can comment that down below. Once again, thanks for watching, and do enjoy the rest of your day, your morning, night, whatever time you're watching this video. Later guys.